Hey creators, welcome back to NeoDesign Lab. We already know how expensive Google VEO3 Minimax AI are, but this new AI tool generate unlimited images and videos, no sign up required, no limit, completely free. Today, I'll show you how to create high-quality AI-generated images and turn them into realistic animated videos using two powerful and accessible tools. VEO3.com for images and Pollo.ai for video animation. Both tools are browser-based, free, or affordable, and require no complicated setup. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate an image with VEO3.com. Head over to VEO3.com. No login required, and everything runs right in your browser. On the home page, you'll find different generation modes. Text to image, image to image, prompt generator, background remover, anime portraits, AI car design, and more. Let's start with text to image. In the prompt box, enter something like a futuristic city street at night, glowing neon signs, people walking with umbrellas, cyberpunk style. Below, choose the model, fast or quality. We recommend quality. The aspect ratio, 16:9 for video or square for socials. Then click generate. After a few seconds, your image will appear. If you're not happy with it, tweak the prompt or try a different style like cyberpunk, steampunk, or Pixar style. VEO also offers specialty tools like AI car designer and anime portrait generator. Great for creators, character designers, and storytelling videos. Step 2. Turn the image into video with Pollo.ai. Now that we got our image, let's animate it using Pollo.ai. Go to Pollo.ai. Once you sign up, you get access to high-end video generation using models like Google VEO3, Cadence, and KLING. Click on Image to Video and upload the image you created on VEO. In the motion prompt box, enter something like camera slowly zooms toward the subject's face, cinematic lighting, soft motion blur. Select the duration, 5 or 8 seconds. The resolution, 768p or higher. The model, try Cadence Pro or Google VEO3 for best results. Click Generate, and in about 2 to 3 minutes, your video will be ready to preview and download. The results are incredibly realistic. Backgrounds blur smoothly, subjects animate naturally, and motion follows your prompt with precision. You can repeat the process for multiple frames or create entire short scenes by stitching videos together. Tip: not sure what motion prompt to write? Ask ChatGPT. Give me a cinematic motion description for an AI-generated image of a girl in a neon-lit alleyway.